Subaru has always been committed to keeping you, your passengers, and those around you safe.
We are going to be discussing the adaptive cruise control that is operated with the EyeSight cameras.
And of course, it powers all four wheels using Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system.
You've been using your Subaru all wrong so far, and I'm not even joking. These 5 super useful features, they're not just cool little tricks, they could actually make you a better driver. But the problem is that most people either don't know about them or they don't use them right. Chapter 1. What's so special about Subaru? Alright, before we dive into the features, let's just take a second to appreciate what Subaru even is. It's not just another Japanese car. Subaru's been building cars that feel planted, balanced, and safe. Oh, and that starry logo on the front? Subaru actually means the Pleiades, a cluster of stars. And just like those stars, Subaru treats every part of their car like it matters. One of the coolest things? Almost every model comes with all-wheel drive, no extra charge. Chapter 2. Symmetrical all-wheel drive. This is the feature that makes a Subaru feel like a Subaru. So, most cars are front-wheel or rear-wheel drive. But Subaru? They went all in on all-wheel drive. And not just any AWD, it's a symmetrical setup. Everything in the drivetrain is lined up straight, engine, transmission, all the way to the back. That balance, it gives you an amazing grip on the road. If you take a corner fast, the car doesn't lean too much. If you brake hard, it stays flat. Even in rain or snow, it just sticks. And if one wheel slips, the other 3 pick up the slack. That's what keeps you safe. Whether you're on the highway or a twisty mountain road, this system just gives you more control without making you work for it. And the best part? You don't even feel it working. It's just smooth. Now, there are a few types of AWD depending on your transmission. There's active torque split, which changes the power between front and back depending on road grip. Then there's variable torque distribution, which sends more power to the rear for sportier driving. And finally, Vicus Center Differential AWD, that one's for the manual fans, giving you that raw, balanced feel. But balance is not the thing, right? So Subaru has a hidden friend. Chapter 3. EyeSight. Have you ever wished you had an extra set of eyes watching the road for you? That's what this is. Right up near your rearview mirror, Subaru has put 2 little color cameras. They're not flashy or in your face, they just quietly scan the road ahead. And what do? Well, a lot actually. They monitor traffic, help keep your car in the lane, manage your cruise control, and if someone cuts you off suddenly, yeah, EyeSight will literally hit the brakes if you don't. On some Subaru models, there's even a 3rd camera for an even wider view, great for spotting pedestrians and cyclists that might pop out of nowhere. Bottom line, it gives you peace of mind. Especially on those long highway drives when your focus might slip for just a second. But who helps you when you're in a hill station, stuck in deep snow, spun out on a muddy trail, or trying to climb a steep, slippery hill thinking, man, I wish my car had a brain right now? Chapter 4. X Mode. That's exactly where Subaru's X Mode comes in. This isn't just another off-road button. It's like a mini off-road computer inside your car, and it kicks in only when you really need it. Latestly, on the 2025 Subaru Forester, you actually get 2 kinds of X Mode, depending on the trim. The standard X Mode boosts traction on tough terrain, think wet roads, icy streets, and slick gravel. But the dual-function version? That one's even smarter. You can toggle between snow or dirt and deep snow or mud modes. It literally changes how the car behaves to match the ground underneath you. You'll feel the grip kick in, the throttle adjust, and the brakes help out in all the right ways. Oh, and you don't have to pay extra for it on many base models. It's just there, waiting for you to hit the button and go explore. Subaru even added X Mode to their all-electric Solterra, which means that off-road magic is here to stay, no matter what powers the wheels. And if you're looking at the wilderness trim of the Forester, you get even more, low-speed or low-ratio gradient control. This thing crawls down steep hills without you riding the brakes like crazy. It's like off-road cruise control. But adventure isn't just about mud and mountains. Sometimes you need a soundtrack to match the thrill. Chapter 5. The Premium Audio System. The latest Subarus come with a seriously impressive Harman Kardon 11-speaker audio system. And we're not just talking slightly better than stock. You've got woofers in the doors, mids and tweeters front and back, and yes, a dedicated subwoofer. That means your bass lines hit deep, vocals come through clean, and you can actually feel your favorite tracks. And for all the audiophiles out there, no, it's not quite at luxury car level, but for a compact SUV, it absolutely holds its own. You'll feel like you're sitting in a mini concert hall, except you're in a Subaru. Plus, Subaru made sure the inside of the car helps out too. So road noise stays out and your music stays crisp. That little upgrade around the doors and firewall makes a big difference, especially when you're trying to enjoy your drive without the hum of traffic leaking in. Oh, and let's not forget the tech. A beautiful 11.6-inch touchscreen handles everything. Super intuitive, very responsive, and yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on most trims. One more bonus, Subaru's Starlink system gets regular software updates, so your infotainment system keeps getting smarter without you having to do a thing. So whether you're a Spotify junkie, a podcast addict, or you just like a little jazz on the way to work, Subaru made sure your car sounds just as good as it drives. And with this music, you can cruise for hours, lost in the rhythm. But what if you want more than just tunes? Well, meet your next specialized co-pilot. Chapter 6. Adaptive Cruise Control. Let's face it, long road trips can be a drag. The endless stop and go, the highway hypnosis, the foot cramps from hovering over the gas and brake for hours. But what if your car could take over the hard parts and still keep you in control? You have Subaru's Adaptive Cruise Control. In the latest Subaru lineup, including the Crosstrek, Outback, and Legacy, Adaptive Cruise Control is part of the upgraded EyeSight Driver Assist technology. The system automatically adjusts your speed to keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. If traffic slows down, your Subaru slows down too. If it stops, your car stops. And when it picks back up again, yep, your car gets moving without you lifting a finger. It's like having a calm, alert co-pilot who never blinks. But it gets better. New for 2025, Subaru added lane centering, which gently keeps your car smack dab in the middle of your lane, even around curves. It doesn't yank the wheel like some other cars, it nudges you softly, smooth and subtle. Plus, the new wide-angle monocular camera works with the existing stereo cameras to give the car a better view of its surroundings. That means better object detection, more accurate reactions, and a system that feels even more in sync with your real-world driving. Just think about it. With all these features, driving becomes effortless. You're not just behind the wheel, you're along for the ride. Sounds exciting, right? That's because it is. But they're not brand new to Subaru, they've been around. But in 2025, they've leveled up big time. From X mode that turns chaos into confidence to adaptive cruise that makes traffic feel like a lazy Sunday drive to that concert-quality Harman Kardon audio system, Subaru has quietly built some of the most useful, underrated tech in the game. But if you haven't explored them yet, if you're still just using your Subaru like any other car, come on, buddy, you're leaving serious comfort and capability on the table. No one's gonna walk up to you and say, "Hey, did you know your car can do that?" That's why I'm here, to show you the stuff no one else is talking about. And if you want to keep unlocking secrets like these, features that make your car smarter, safer, and way more fun, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we've got plenty more automobile hacks headed your way.